Hello. Tignan po natin ah yung pagtatanggol ni Commodore ng ating Coast Guard. Di ko alam kung anong pangalan nito. Mamaya po, no? Nasa Congress po sa February 18, 2025, House of Representative, 19 Congress. Ano po? Tignan po natin paano depensahan ng Coast Guard ang pagmamalabis ni Congressman Marcoleta ng ahensya na Antikristo. Tignan po natin ano. Yan.
Legislator, and then you wait until you are recognized by the chair, okay?
Yes, sir.
Thank you, sir. Please proceed.
You said that you did not say that I am a traitor, but it is in the social media. Did
Si
you
Marcoleta po yan ng ahensya.
take an effort to clarify that so that you would not mislead people because they might believe that you have said that? It is only now that you are disowning this statement. Mr. Chair.
Mr. Chair. Yes, sir. To the Honorable Marcoleta, sir. Let's put it on record. I
Ayan
did
po
not
si
use the word traitor
Commodore
in describing your statement
Tariela
that the West Philippine
ng
Sea ay
ng
katang-isip lamang
Philippine
po.
Coast Guard.
Let me read my post on X. I stand by the statement of President Bongbong Marcos when he said ang West Philippine Sea ay hindi katang-isip natin lamang. Ito ay atin, ito ay mananatiling atin hanggang nag-aalab ang diwa ng ating minamahal na bansang Pilipinas. Hearing someone claim that the West Philippine Sea is merely a fabrication of the Philippine government is a disservice and an embarrassment to their entire party, the organization he belonged to, and even their own family. How can the one face the younger generations today and tell them that our exclusive economic zone to the west of our archipelago is non-existent, effectively giving up the fight to assert their rights as Filipinos in the West Philippine Sea?
Mr. Chair, sinabi ko ba na katang-isip ang West Philippine Sea?
I cannot recall, Mr. Chair.
Hindi, kasi ang salita mo dyan, merong nagsabing katang-isip. Sinabi ko ba na katang-isip ang West Philippine Sea?
I said I stand by the statement of the President. I did not mention you said it, sir.
Meron kang katang-isip na sinabi dyan eh. To whom are you referring that?
No, sir. The katang-isip phrase was the President's statement during his SONA. I just merely restated the statement of President Bongbong Marcos
Kaya nga,
when he
you are now,
delivered it to SONA.
kaya mo lang nilabas yan after I said that there is no such thing as West Philippine Sea. But that is in context of the fact that it is not yet registered in the International Hydrographic Organization. Alam mo, Commodore, ang procedure. Tama.
Mr. Chair,
No, you have to answer, Mr. Chair. Alam
Yes,
mo
sir.
yung procedure kung paano maitatala, kung paano natin papangalanan ang isang karagatan na tayo ang may-ari. You know the procedures, right?
with respect to the 19th Congress who passed
You
the
have
Republic
to
Act
answer my question,
12064,
Mr. Chair.
the Philippine Maritime Zones Act, sir, the West.
Kindly repeat your question.
You know, Commodore, the procedures on how we can register the name of a maritime area that we control or that we believe it is ours. You know the procedures on how
Yes,
to
sir.
register. Okay. So, ano na po ba? Nakarehistro na po ba? Nairehistro na po ba natin yung West Philippine Sea?
Sir, with regard to your question, there must be a legislation and then submitted to the international.
Oo nga, meron na po
Hydrographic
tayong
Organization.
legislation.
Yes,
As a matter of fact, Nagagawa na po yung Congress. Kailangan po talaga yon.
Yes, sir.
Nagpasimula tayo sa administrative order pero kulang yon. Kaya nga po ang Congress gumawa para tulungan po kayo. Okay, sa ngayon po, sa tagal na po ng proseso, yun po yung dapat ninyong palaging gagawin. Kailangan lahat ng lakas natin gamitin, maparehistro po natin. Pero ngayon, hindi pa nakarehistro. Tama po.
Again, sir, answer your question.
Please.
Steps by
Hold
step.
on, Andale.
Yes, sir.
Please answer the question
Yes,
directly. The question calls for a yes or no.
No, sir. If it's in IHO, yes, to legislation.
Sinasabi ko yung IHO because this is the only world body that officially names a particular area of the sea. Kaya sa konteksto po ng pinag-uusapan natin, kaya ko lang nasabi, sapagkat hindi pa po nakatala, we need the international community to recognize a part of our own. Yun lang po ang punto doon, Mr. Commodore. So kung hindi pa po nakatala, tama po ako, hindi ba?
No, sir.
You are inconsistent.
No, sir. I did not say that you're correct. I will not agree that you are correct. West Philippine Sea is our exclusive economic zone.
Mr. Chair, wala tayong dispute dyan. Sinasabi ko na nga sa iyo, yung sinasabi nating West Philippine Sea is our own exclusive economic zone. This is ours. You and I should fight for it until the last drop of our blood. Ang sinasabi natin dito, kagaya ng nire-request ng CICC, let us educate our people sapagkat ang alam ng mga tao, lahat tayo, ang alam natin, nakarehistro na. Ang sinasabi ko, hindi pa po nakarehistro. Ikaw ba pwede kang mag-enroll sa isang eskwela nang hindi ka nag-register, nang hindi ka nag-enroll? You answer my question.
Of course, sir, there is a
Kaya nga,
legislation.
Kaya hindi pa nakarehistro, Mr. Chair. This is the only point. Let us not create a mountain out of molehill. Bigla mong sasabihin, in response to what I said, ang isip, o blah, 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 at lumabas sa traitor. Hindi ka man lang gumawa ng effort, for example, na I did not say that. Ngayon mo lang sinasabi. But you know, people are bashing me. I am pro-China. When is the last time or the first time that I am pro-China?
Again, Mr. Chair, I never said that you are a traitor. That is clearly posted on my Twitter
Pero
account.
hindi ka po nagbigay ng paliwanag na sinabi mo sana doon sa social media din. Bakit nyo ina-ascribe sa akin na sinabi ko na traitor si Kong Marcoleta? I did not say that. It is only now that you are explaining na wala kang sinabi. But kumalat na sa social media, kaya nga tayo nandito. These are the excesses and the abusiveness of social media, Mr. Chair. Nangyari na. Kahit na ilang libong mag-explain ka dito, yung tao narinig na nila na ikaw ang nagsabi. Because meron ka pang litrato doon eh.
Mr. Chair,
No.
nobody has ever asked me whether you are a traitor. This was only the first time that I was asked whether you are a traitor or not.
You are not even aware na sa social media sumabog yun. Nandun yung litrato mo and the claim that I am a traitor. Ngayon ka lang nagpapaliwanag na I am not a traitor. Pero nangyari na yon.
Mr. Chair, I don't think that I'm under in any obligation to respond to all those social
Okay,
media
Mr.
posts
Chair.
by bloggers,
Now,
social media influencers to tell them that
Mr.
they're
Chair,
wrong.
Siya muna.
sabi niya wala siyang obligation.
Finish your statement.
Yes, sir. Mr. Chair, Honorable Marcoleta, sir, I think I'm no under obligation to tell all the social media influencers, to bloggers, defend your name, tell them that you are not a traitor. Again, I did not mention that you are a traitor. Those words did not come from me. Why would I go to the extent of defending you and you're running for Senate? I might as well be interpreted as running for supporting somebody for public office.
Mr. Chair, clarifying something that is wrong is
And
not
the floor,
political.
please.
Thank you, sir.
Commodore, ang tinatanong lang ni Honorable Marcoleta that merong lumabas kang statement. Siguro, binigyan ng interpretation ng ibang vloggers at nasabi na traitor si Honorable Marcoleta. Ang tinatanong niya is, unang-una, alam mo ba ito na gano'n na nangyayari? Well, you know,
No, sir, because when it became a social media popular post, I was not here in the country. I was actually in the official business outside.
so when did you come to know about it?
I only came to know about it when Congressman Marcoleta called me Gamangmang in one of his interviews.
Para updated sa balita.
Abogado pa naman si Marcoleta ng Iglesia ni Cristo, Antikristo. Tinawag niyang gago at mangmang. Ayan o, napanood nyo 19th Congress. Isa kang abogado, Marcoleta. Dapat pang lumabas sa iyo yung ganyang mga salita. Pahiya ka. Nakakahiya ka sa Iglesia ni Cristo. Nakakahiya ka. Tatawagin mong gagot, mangmang itong pinagkakatiwalaan ng presidente na komodor. Nakita dyan. Nagalit ka kay Atty. Enzo, gusto mo pa siyang ipakontep. Yan palang ugali mo. Hindi ka dapat iboboto talaga, hindi ka dapat mananalo sa iyong tinatakbong posisyon sa ngayon. Yung mga HIC, kung alam nyo lang yan, gumising na kayo sa katotohanan. Na ito palang inyong manok. Palamura din pala palamura. Abogado yan Abogadong Palamura, Marcoleta. Sagip Parteles. Sukat ba naman, hindi alam ng tao si Commodore Tarieta paano ipagtanggol ang Pilipinas? Pagkatapos gagaguhin mo lang siya, tawagin mong gago at mangmang. Hindi nga siya, kaya nga sabi niya sa statement niya kanina sa Congress, hindi man po ako nakapag-aral ng ganito-ganito. Kaya pala, o sino kayo ng mangmang? Sinong mangmang kayon? Eh di ikaw, Marcoleta. Pinakikita mo lang. Nakakaya ka, abogado ka pa naman. Sige po kaibigan, hanggang dito na lamang. Kaya ko pinanood yung kanina, meron ko nakitang patungkol sa nila tatawagin mong gagot, mangmang yung tao ibinubuhos ang buhay niya para ipagtanggol sa mga walang yang mga incheck na kaya nga tawag sa'yo ng mga social media, pro-China. Kasi nga ikaw mismo, Marcoleta, sinasabi mo, ano yan, Philippines? Wala sa mapa. O yan, nagsalita na si Bongbong Marcos, binasa lang ni Tarieta. O yan ang banatan mo ngayon, si Marcos. Yan ang banatan mo, binasa lang naman yan, Tapos, ano ba yung binibintang mo? Ala naman pala sinabi. Gusto mo, naghanap ka na namang contempt. Wala kang mako-contempt dyan kasi wala kang barkada dyan, wala kang kaibigan dyan. Lahat, isinusuka ka na. Kaya nga, suka. Suka. Ay, iwag nyo pong tangkiligan yan. Yang ISC na yan. Nakakaya ka sa mga ISC. Yan ang masasabi ko sa iyo, Marcoleta. Paya ka. Kala mo madadali mo si Tariela? May utak, may bayag pa yan. Sige, hanggang dito na lamang po, Ng ating social media. Pinanood ko lang, YouTube Hindi po sa akin to. Nakita ko lang like, share na share. Kayong mga na-share, share nyo sa mga ISC ito. Para pagtawanan ng kanilang manok. Share nyo sa ISC ito. Nang pagtawanan sila ng kanyang pinupuhon sa ISC. Sige, hanggang dito na lamang po. Inyong kaibigan Jesus, Brother Manny Bautista. nawadat na kayo ng video ito na, nasa ayos na kalagayan. Amen, amen, amen. Saludo po, Commodore Tariela. Saludo po, General Torre. Ayan. Magaling na mga tauhan ng sundalo natin yan. Okay?